Here is a Toyota Corolla, and that's what the bulb is. In order to access it, we have to open up the trunk. So let's go ahead, pop the trunk open. Now we need to get this plastic cover off. So you have to put one finger right over there at that top right corner, or you can get like a long screwdriver, a flatted screwdriver, put it right over there where I'm showing, and get it in all the way. And once it's in position, just pull it outwards. That's gonna pry this cover off. It's just gonna prop right off. Yep, it's got two clips, one and two. Now we need to get those two bolts off. They're 10mm bolts. For that you can use a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a 10mm wrench. Let's go ahead and start twisting them left one by one and get them off and keep them somewhere safe. One is off and so is the second one. Now get the screwdriver and pry that cover off that white plastic holes. What we'll do is we'll try and push it towards the back of the car, and that's gonna help us pop the light off the body. If that doesn't work, I'll show you a trick, and that is to get duct tape. Get like one long piece of duct tape running across the entire length of the light. Leave one side of it a little bit loose so you can grab onto it. Get a couple more layers, put them all together, and then grab it like a handle and yank it off. The light's gonna pop right out of the body. That's good. Now that's where the two holes for the bolts go. That one pin and that cutout. The pin goes there. The cutout goes on this white clip over here. That's the brake light bulb. Just grab it and twist it left. It may be a little bit tight, so be patient, but you just have to twist it left, and now it's loose, and you should be able to get it out of the light assembly. Press down on the electrical connector there and get it off the bulb. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply get the connector back on, slide it on and click it in place. When you put this LED bulb back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in. See, right now it's not dropping in. And once it does, that's good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. Let's get the light back in position, and you have to focus on this front edge over here. We gotta make sure that that cutout goes onto the white clip, because only when it does that will the light sit flush. So pay special attention to that first. When it's in position, it should look like this, the way I'm showing. Sitting in flush, the light is not sticking out of the body. Also, let's make sure these holes line up. At this point, give it a firm push to pop it back in. And now let's get this duct tape off of the light. Good. Let's just put those bolts back on by hand first, and then tighten them down one by one. Lights are moving, that's good. Get the cover and position it the way I'm showing. Just get it in position and now press down on both the surfaces. So press down towards the side of the car and then also towards the front of the car. That'll engage both those clips. That is looking good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.